SB19 is the McDonald's X SB19 meal photo card reveal. This McDonald's promo runs from September 19th to September 25th.
Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon dahil dumating na ang bagong-bagong photo card! Nandito kami para malaman kung sinong mapupul ng bawat isa. Bunot na! Bunot! Isa-isa. Para may hawak na.
Tingnan nyo muna yung packaging. Ang ganda oh. Sobrang premium.
Si Pablo.
Ang bugi!
Ay, si Josh nga.
Galing
ko, no?
Telepathy ka ba? Ito. Pero Estel! Nasaan S eh? Kulo ng Estel. So, kita nyo, nakakagat pa yun sa chicken, oh.
Sana mabunot ko cash. May cash na lang.
Sinartiero!
Ako may isang dina po.
Oh, Justin!
Manok to. Ay, taran!
Alright, kompleto na.
McDo X SB19 photo cards are now available nationwide.
Yes, and you can get one random SB19 photo card for every purchase of the SB19 meal.
SB19 meal lang ha, SB19 meal.
SB19 meal, and it's available for a limited time only. So go and grab it from September 19 until September 25 via dine-in, take-out, drive-thru, or Mac delivery.
Of course, you should collect all 6 limited edition photo cards now, 18.
Yeah.
Siyempre, kolektahin nyo na yan. And we'd love to see your own photo card reveals too. Kaya naman, share your photos and videos online, tag us and McDoPH, and use the hashtag ating to Chicken McDo.
Good luck!